Been working on this for maybe a year and a half. Still can't get it. Nope. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. So today I am talking about my four tips to get killer sunrise photographs. Should be a good one. Let's roll that intro. All right, guys. How was your week? How was your weekend? Mine was awesome. Sunday, this past Sunday, on the 15th, I got this photograph. Man, it wasn't even that cold. I think it was only -8 degrees Celsius in Canada. It wasn't really that cold outside, but the wind, oh my god, wow. The wind, that'll take a bite on your skin. Ooh. So, other than that, celebrated my wife's birthday, so last Tuesday. My birthday is tomorrow. What? At the time of recording, it's November 16, so my birthday, of course, November 17. Anyways, rambling again. Sorry. So before I jump into today's video, if you could go down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video, which, again, reminder, every Wednesday and Sunday. There we go. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. All right, so my 4 tips for taking killer sunrise photos. Kind of like this, and like this, and like this. So, tip number 1 is to make sure that where you're going to take your sunrise landscape photo, that there's no fog. Fog is just gonna totally ruin it. If you're looking for that dramatic and moody photo with fog, absolutely take it, crush it. But if you're just wanting to capture the sunrise, make sure that there's no fog where you're going to be shooting. Number 2, check for high clouds. Beware of low to medium level clouds. This happens if it's going to be rainy that day. Your photos are just going to come out looking all gloomy and kind of have that dark and moody look. Where you want to focus your clouds is the high clouds. That's where it's going to just have like on the belly of the clouds, of the high clouds, it's going to have that little orange hue or orange tint. And that's what you're looking for. Tip number 3, be at your location 45 minutes to an hour prior. Yes, it will be dark. I recommend getting yourself a little headlamp just so you can see where you're walking in the dark and whatnot. Get there about, like I said, 45 minutes to an hour. That way you have ample time to set up everything, take a couple test shots, and just make sure everything is ready to go for when sunrise starts. So 1 hour to 45 minutes before sunrise. Get there. Tip number 4 is practice, and practice some more. You might be out there taking sunrise photos a lot. We'll just say that you just practice. Go to different locations, line up your composition, make sure that all your camera settings are the way that you want them. Take the photo, bring it home, look back at it, and see if there's things to improve on. Maybe you underexposed it, maybe you overexposed it, maybe the composition wasn't right. Maybe if you shift it over to the right or to the left, something in that photo might have not have been obstructing the sunrise for you. With that being said, it is absolutely crucial and best practices for beginner landscape photographers is to practice. You'll only get better if you put the time and effort into to try and get this photo. You might have to go back to that same spot half a dozen times, to a dozen times. And I know for me, there's been a couple times, especially for this photo, where I had to go back multiple times just because the sun wasn't at that right location where it just lights everything up with that awesome hue or awesome yellow and orange hues, and the colors in the clouds and the colors in the skies. So you just need to practice, and eventually you will get the shot. Like I said, this one kind of took me I think it was like 6 or 7 times at the same location over multiple days to actually get this shot. So be patient, practice. So yeah, I mean, those are pretty much my 4 secrets or tips or whatever you want to call them to get killer sunrise photos. Download an app called Meteor Earth. I went through it, I believe it was in my 10 favorite apps for landscape photography. I'll link it up here somewhere for you guys to take a look. It's called Meteor Earth. Make sure it's free. Download it. It'll give you or it will show you the low, medium, and high cloud positions. Also look at the photographer's ephemeris. That's in a nutshell. It'll show you where the sunrise is going to happen, so you can kind of plan, well, maybe I should be shooting to the east or to the west or to the north or to the south. So it kind of gives you a little breakdown of where you should kind of situate yourself. Again, I made a video about that last week, I believe. I'll link it up here somewhere. There. It'll be somewhere at the top. So I think that wraps it up for today. Let me know in the comments below if this kind of gives you some ideas, gets some of the gears grinding in your head, and maybe this video kind of inspires you a little bit. Let me know in the comments below. I will respond to each and every one of you guys. So do that for 1. 2, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. It would be greatly appreciated if you did that. So thank you. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, comment below. Comment below if any questions you have about landscape photography or photography in general, and I will get back to you for sure. So I think I'm going to leave it at that. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.